matrix by converting it into normal form. ये 3 by 3 का मैट्रिक्स था। ऐसे ही हम लोग नॉर्मल फॉर्म कुछ इस तरह से भी करते हैं। दिस इज अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन नाउ। तो क्वेश्चन इज reduce the given matrix A, that is 1 1 2 1 2 3 0 -1 -1 into normal form and find out the rank of the given matrix. This is we need to do. So you can operate by certain procedures and find out the rank of the matrix. ये आपके लिए होम टास्क है, इसको आपने अप्लाई करके इसका रैंक बना देना है नॉर्मल फॉर्म बना करके। यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू नॉर्मल फॉर्म। नॉर्मल फॉर्म एक और डिफरेंट वे भी है बनाने का। उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दिस इज अनदर मेथड of converting it into normal form. Let us discuss that method now. A matrix can be written as I into A into I. Because जब हम A मैट्रिक्स को I से ऑपरेट करेंगे लेफ्ट पर तो वो A ही आएगा, एंड सिमिलरली जो A को हम राइट से I से ऑपरेट करेंगे तो वो A मैट्रिक्स ही बनेगा। That is why A can be written as I into A into I. You know what is I matrix? That is identity matrix 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix with order 3. Now अब आप इसमें A का वैल्यू पुट करिए। The value of A matrix is 1 1 2 1 2 3 0 -1 -1 and I matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 एंड ये वाला A मैट्रिक्स इसकी वैल्यू नहीं भरना है, ये एज इट इज रहेगा 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1। वैल्यूज सब्स्टिट्यूट करके ये आ जाता है। फर्स्ट थिंग इज क्लियर and this is clearly 1 here, so you can straight away operate, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, operate R2 minus R1, so you will get you will operate here. First row will be as it is, R2 minus R1 will give you 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, and third row will be as it is. कम हियर। जब आप लोग रो ऑपरेशंस ऑपरेट करेंगे तो प्री मैट्रिक्स में लगाएंगे। ये ध्यान से देखिए, ए का प्री मैट्रिक्स ये है, दिस इज प्री मैट्रिक्स एंड दिस इज पोस्ट मैट्रिक्स। सो जब रो ऑपरेशंस लगाएंगे तो फिर प्री मैट्रिक्स में ही ऑपरेट करेंगे, पोस्ट मैट्रिक्स एज इट इज लिख देंगे। इस प्रोसीजर को ध्यान से समझ लीजिए। रो ऑपरेशन लगाते वक्त यू विल ऑपरेट ऑन प्री मैट्रिक्स ओनली। सो व्हाट इज यू हैव ऑपरेटेड R2 minus R1, so what is R2? 0 minus 1 is -1, 1 minus 0 is 1 0 0 0 1, ये आपके पास आ जाता है। now what we shall do now, you just try to make these elements 0 now, this one and this one, क्योंकि हमने लेफ्ट साइड पर इस मैट्रिक्स को नॉर्मल फॉर्म बनाना है। तो अब हम लोग कॉलम ऑपरेशन लगा सकते हैं। C2 minus C1 will be operated. Similarly, C3 will be operated like C3 minus 2C1. So what will you get in this 1 0 0, first column as it is, C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, minus 1 minus 0 is -1, and this will be C3 minus 2C1. So 2C1 will give you 0 here, this will be as it is, this will be as it is, and because हम लोग कॉलम ऑपरेशंस लगा रहे हैं तो फिर पोस्ट मैट्रिक्स में ऑपरेट करेंगे। प्री विल बी रिटन एज इट इज, -1 1 0 0 0 1। सो पोस्ट में लगाइए, पोस्ट में भी C2 - C1, so 0 - 1 is -1 1 0, and this will be -2, this will be 0, and this will be 1. Just understand this thing. Now what we have this. Now we are converting this matrix into normal form. Normal form will be, because this is a matrix of order 3, so your identity matrix will be of order 2. So this is just like that. ये तो identity बन चुका है, ये ध्यान से देखिए, 1 1 0 0, but these three elements should be 0. So for this we shall operate R3 will be added with R2, and you will get 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Now R3 plus R2, 0 plus 0 will give you 0, -1 plus 1 will be 0, and that will be, sorry, this is -1. So -1 plus 1 will be 0 again, and because हम लोग रो ऑपरेशन लगा रहे हैं यहाँ पर अब, तो फिर प्री मैट्रिक्स में ऑपरेट होएगा, पोस्ट मैट्रिक्स एज इट इज लिख दीजिए 0 0 1। नाउ प्री पर ऑपरेट करिए R3 प्लस R2, तो R2 will be as it is, and -1 1 1, ये आपके पास आ जाता है। नाउ again this is still not a normal form, because this element is 1 here, this should be 0. So for making it 0, you should operate the column operation C3 minus C2, and you will get that. You just see 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Now C3 minus C2, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. Now you just see, this is the identity matrix we have, this one, and the remaining all the terms are 0, because we are operating the column operations. So column operations will be operated in post matrix. So let us operate C3 minus C2. So 0 1 0 0. C3 minus C2 will give you -2, and minus minus plus, that will be -1 -1, and that will be 1. ये आपके पास बच जाता है. Now what is this? This matrix will be written like this. This is I2 0 0 0. इस मैट्रिक्स को हमने I2 का नाम दे दिया, इस मैट्रिक्स को हमने P का नाम दे दिया, और इस मैट्रिक्स को हमने Q का नाम दे दिया. Now where P matrix is this, you can write down here, where P matrix is 1 0 0 -1 1 0 -1 1 1, and Q matrix is 1 -1 -1 0 1 -1, and 0 0 1. This is Q matrix, and you just see the number of non-zero rows in this is, non-zero rows are, first row is non-zero, second row is non-zero, last row is 0. So therefore the rank is denoted by a row of A is 2. So the rank of this given matrix is come out to be 2. So this is another important method for converting the given matrix A into normal form. The question may come for fourth order also, so you will also do like that when you have a question of a matrix of order 4. So we have two methods. एक तो सीधा ही है, एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशंस लगाइए और रैंक फाइंड करिए, जो हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करा, और एक ये मेथड है जिसमें हम लोग गिवन मैट्रिक्स को पी ए क्यू की फॉर्म में लेकर के आते हैं, नॉर्मल फॉर्म बना करके। तो नॉर्मल फॉर्म का मेथड भी एक डिफरेंट इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड है। So this is all about of finding the rank of a given matrix. Now let us discuss a very important method for finding out the inverse of the given matrix. So inverse of a matrix. Inverse of a matrix, but you have used the adjoint method, adjoint and transpose and determines you have the inverse like this. A inverse is equal to 1 over A determinant and adjoint of E. So this was the method which you have discussed in 10 plus 2 class. But now today we shall discuss the matrix. So let us discuss about this method. And this method is related to operations also. So the question is, use Gauss-Jordan method to find out the inverse of the given matrix A. The matrix is 1, 0, 2, 2 minus 1, 3, 4, 1, 5. So this is the matrix A which is given to us. Now, what will you consider? By the Jordan method, you will consider A is equal to IA. This is important. So put the value of matrix A 1, 0, 2, 2 minus 1, 3, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this is A. जो लास्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म का क्वेश्चन था उसमें हमने यहाँ पर आई दे करके चले थे, बट यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है बिकॉज दिस इज ए जॉर्डन मेथड. जॉर्डन मेथड में वी नीड प्री मैट्रिक्स ओनली. प्री मैट्रिक्स मीन you will use only elementary row operations. Remember that. I am repeating, you will use only elementary row operations for finding out the inverse of the given matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. Now, what is our aim? हमारा एम ये है कि हमें इस मैट्रिक्स को, दिस वन, इस मैट्रिक्स को आई मैट्रिक्स बनाना है. I mean identity matrix that will be like this, जिसका diagonal element 1 1 1 होएगा. That will be your I matrix. So you need to convert this matrix into I. So let us operate. You will use the pivot. Pivot is R1 here. So R2 will be operated with R1. So R2 minus 2 R1. Similarly, R3 will be taken as R3 minus 4 R1. So let us do that. And this is 1, 0, 2, 0. And now R2 minus 2 R1. This is minus 1. And R3, R2 mean 3 minus 2 R1, 4. That is minus 1 here. Similarly, R3 minus 4 R1 will be 0. This is 1. This is minus 3. And because ये रो ऑपरेशंस हैं, तो यहाँ पर प्री मैट्रिक्स जो ए का है इस पर लगाया जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट रो एज इट इज होएगा एंड दैट विल बी minus 2 1 0 and that will be minus 4 0 1. ये आपके पास आ जाता है. What is this? There is the negative sign here, so you can simply multiply it with the negative. So R2 will be multiplied with the negative R2. So what will you get? 1 0 2 0 1 1 0 1 -3. Similarly आप इसमें भी कर देंगे 1 0 0 2 -1 0 -4 0 1 into a. तो नेगेटिव साइन से हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Now you can simply operate for making this as 0. You will operate R3 minus R2 because 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So let us do that. First row will be as it is. Second row as it is. 0 0. This is -4. Similarly 1 0 0. 2 minus 1 0. And R3 minus R2 will give you -6 1 1. And this is a matrix A. Now because here is a -4, so you can divide R3 with -4 for making it as 1. So operate negative R3 will be multiplied with a -1 by 4. And what will you get? 1 0 2. This is 0 1 1 0 0 1. अब देखिए ये डायगोनल में 1 1 1 आ चुका है. That is why we have divided it with a -4. So 1 0 0 2 -1 0. And now this is a -2 by, sorry, this is a -3 by 2, 1 by 4, and this is 1 by 4. So इसको अभी डिवाइड ना करिए, इसको एज इट इज लिख दीजिए ताकि कैलकुलेशन करने में आसानी हो. इसको एज इट इज 6 by 4 लिख दीजिए. एंड दिस विल बी नेगेटिव नेगेटिव बिकॉज नेगेटिव साइन भी साथ में लिया है हमने. सो दिस इज 6 by 4 क्योंकि सॉर्ट आउट करने में आसानी होगी. नाउ व्हाट वी वांट टू डू, we want to make this as 0 and this as 0 now. So what you need to operate, you just operate R2 will be operated and subtracted with R3, and similarly R1 will be operated and taking R3 as a pivot. So what will you get? You just see फर्स्ट रो पहले ऑपरेट करते हैं R1 -2 R3. So 1 0 2 and this will be 2. So this will be 0 and this is 0 and this is 1 and this is 0. This is 0 0 1. आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स बन जाता है. नाउ यही प्रोसीजर हम यहां लगाएंगे. R1 -2 R3 here will give you -8 by 4 and this is 2 by 4 and this is 2 by 4. अभी डिवाइड नहीं करते हैं, बाद में करते हैं. And this is 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4. This is 1 by 4 and third row is 6 by 4 -1 by 4 and this is -1 by 4. And what is this? We know that A inverse into A is I. ये हमने फार्मूला पढ़ा हुआ है आइडेंटिटी का इनवर्स का. तो यहां पर भी आई मैट्रिक्स आ रहा है. सो देयरफॉर आई इज A inverse into A. A is there. So this should be A inverse and this is I matrix. So this means that A inverse is this matrix. So A inverse is -8 by 4, 2 by 4. This is 2 by 4, 2 by 4 -3 by 4, 1 by 4. 6 by 4, 1 by 4 negative, 1 by 4 negative. 1 by 4 can be taken out throughout. So that is minus 8 to 2. And this is 2 minus 3, 1. And this is 6 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So this is the inverse of the given matrix by using Gauss-Jordan method. So Gauss-Jordan method is applicable for finding out the inverse of the given matrix by applying elementary row operations. So thank you very much. I stop my class here, and probably it is very much clear to all of you. Any question about